Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. So now let's take a look at our S&P 500 for the week. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments on what to watch out for it. So we would analyze this chart from the higher time frame downward to the lower time frame to understand this movement and why we'll be taking such trade this week. So the full trend on this Nasdaq 100, let's see it for some times. I think this was kind of like a period of 2012. It's actually been giving us, it has been giving us like a bullish move on S&P 500, right? Price has been going bullish, and we can see this is the moving average, which I'm using 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading this 10 period moving average is that once the price is above our moving average, which is 10 period moving average, then it is a buy. We have to go long, but if it is below it, we have to sell and we have to short. So clearly we can see that this price has been above the moving average, reason why we've been going long on S&P 500. Then all of a sudden, which is around late 2021, right, early 2022, right, we'll be having this bearish move on S&P 500 to the extent that this our moving up price is now below the moving average. Price has just crossed. It is now below our moving average. That is an indication that we are on a bearish move. We are to sell. So we can consider this movement like this as a drop. Here will be the correction on S&P. Here is another drop, and here comes the correction. So you cannot see another drop that broke this previous lows, right? And we are seeing a correction. Let's see this correction drop high. So let's see if this correction will drop to this, get to a level of about 4,000. So S&P 500, we are currently trading at a level of 3,900 plus, right? I'll repeat again, we are currently trading at a level of 3,900 plus on S&P 500. So this bullish move, which you can see as a pullback or whatever, we should see to get to a level of about 4,100 plus, or 4,000. And secondly, we'd want to see this, at least this S&P 500 to hit this moving average, by the way. So we still have some movement to be made to actually give us that bullish move that will hit our 10 period moving average. So this movements we can see here, last month we actually opened and closed bullish, which was the month of October, right? The month of October gave us a bullish move. Now this is October and November, right? And we are on the second week of November, right? And we've actually gone bullish, meaning that we still have some bullish moves to be made on this S&P 500 by the time this month ends. So S&P 500 is still on a bullish move. I want you guys to consider to go long on S&P 500 before. After it, then we might consider our current next trend on S&P 500, which will be bearish. So that should take us to the weekly time frame though. So let's take a look at this weekly time frame, right? You can see that there's one key level here, price has broken been above. We saw that price once came here to this level, push up, it reacted. Then once price broke below it, we had a pullback that came to test this level, right? Then we also saw price dropped here, tested this level, right? And price gave us a pullback. Guess what? Price broke below it. Now that this our S&P 500 kind of came to the same level, right? We had a pullback, and guess what? It has continued its bullish move. That is to tell you that S&P 500, we are now on a bullish move. So the next level we would want to highlight is level price has reacted to previously. So this is the level here. You saw that price has reacted to this level, right? We saw price drop to this level and it pushes up. We saw price, once price broke below it, we had a pullback to test this level and it's dropped, right? You can see it's also occurred here. Once price gets dropped, right? We saw a pullback at this level, right? Before our S&P 500 actually dropped further down. So this is one of the reasons why this is the next level we'd want to aim for, which is a level of 4,100 plus, like I once said before. We are currently trading at a level of 3,900 plus, or let's call it full number, which is 3,987. So currently, S&P 500 is at a level of 3,987. So we would want to see it roll up and get to a level of 4,146. So S&P 500, consider to go bullish. Secondly is that this price is above our moving average. So since it is above our moving average, then there's only one movement we all should be making or we should look out for, which is a bullish move. So S&P 500, we are still on a bullish move, by the way. So try and go long on S&P 500. We should hit this next level because price has reacted here one, reacted it twice, reacted it 3 times. So we should actually see it roll up to react at this same level for the fourth time. Maybe possibly we'll continue to go bearish. If not, we might consider to go higher. But first of all, a level of 4,146 we all should be aiming for on our S&P 500, or we can call it a level of what of 4,100. I think that will be okay if you can grab that level. That should take us to the daily time frame though. So this daily time frame, if you take a look at this food trend, this is clearly on a bullish move. One. Secondly is that the price is above our moving average. So since this price is above our moving average, then we are to go long. So clearly we are to go long on S&P 500. Notice our price as we come to this level, it will reject and go up to this level, right? Kind of come to this level, kind of go up, right? The price is now above it, it has broken above it. The next level we would want to see to come up is this level where price has been rejecting above here. We saw that once price came here, it's rejected, right? We saw price kind of come to this level, kind of gave us like a mini pullback. It broke above it. Price also came to this same level again, and we saw it drop, right? So now that this price is going up, we want to see it come up to this same level price has been reacting to previously multiple times. That is a level of 4,100 plus. So bullish move on our S&P 500. Now take a look at this movement here. This has the higher highs. Here would be the higher lows. Here is the higher highs that broke this previous highs, right? Higher lows on S&P 500, a new higher highs, right? Higher lows, and take a look at it. A new higher highs has been made that broke this previous higher lows. That broke this previous higher highs. Let's see if price will actually move further up, then a pullback should be made. Then after the pullback, here's what another bullish move that will come to tap a level of 1,400 plus. So maybe we can wait for a pullback to go long. So it is not a must once price opens to go long. You can possibly wait for a pullback to occur on S&P 500. Once the pullback has occurred, then you can enter and go long on this S&P 500. So daily time frame still on a bullish move. We are to go long. We would want to see get to a level of 4,100 plus. And now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So this is it for our time frame uptrend move, and we would want to go bullish, right? And it is above our 10 period moving average. Assuming it was below our 10 period moving average and it was rolling down, then I would have advised you to actually just stay out of this trade, right? Do not place this trade. Assuming this price was giving us kind of like movements like this, kind of this lower lows like this, I would have advised you to stay out of this trade. But clearly we can see that this price is giving us that bullish move to the extent it is still above our moving average. So it is time, it is still good amount, or good time to actually still go long on S&P 500. So you will see here as impulse move, here comes the correction, and here comes the impulse move. So if you want to be patient enough for a pullback to occur before you enter the trade, then there's no problem. You can wait. Once the pullback happen, then you can go long. So this week also on the 4 hour time frame, S&P 500, you would want to go bullish again.